Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube region error on mobile. If you're saying this video is not available in your country on YouTube, yeah, that's a region block, but you can fix it fast on your phone. Let me show you how. So for the first method, you can use a VPN. So a VPN changes your location so you can access blocked videos. So to do that, go to the App Store and search for a VPN like NordVPN or Proton VPN from the App Store. Tap on it and tap on Get to install the app. So just wait for it to be installed. Once installed, open it. Tap on Accept. Tap on Next. Tap on Allow. And sign up, or if you have an account, tap on Login. So I already have an account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Tap on Continue and tap on Create Account. Now, to use NordVPN, you need to have upgrade your plan first and then just activate it. So you can connect to a country like the US or UK. And once done, close the VPN and go back to YouTube. So open YouTube and play the video and see if it works. So this works almost every time. Now for the second method, we have to reinstall the YouTube app. So iPhones don't have a clear cache button, so reinstalling does the same thing. So close YouTube app. Now press and hold the YouTube app and tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. And once deleted, we need to go to App Store and install YouTube again. So let's search for YouTube. Tap on this one and tap on the cloud icon to install it. Now, once installed, you have to log back in and play the video and see if that works. Now, for the third method, you can change YouTube location. So, to do that, open YouTube, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Location, and select another country. This is not always effective, but quick to try. Now, for the fourth method, you can switch network so your IP matters more than your phone. So you can turn off Wi Fi and use mobile data or connect to a different Wi Fi network. So go to your settings, go to Wi Fi. So you can turn off your Wi Fi and use a mobile data or connect to a different Wi Fi network. Now, for the fifth method, you can watch via browser. So you can open the video using Safari or Google Chrome, and sometimes the browser version. And so you can open the video using Safari or Google Chrome. Sometimes the browser version works when the app doesn't. And that's it. So, quick recap, VPN is your strongest fix. Reinstalling the app clears glitches, and switching networks can also help. So, try these in order, and you'll be watching your video in no time. Thank you for watching.